Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Discord to Patreon. First, make sure you're logged into both your Patreon creator account and your Discord server. On Patreon, head over to your Apps section. Locate the Discord integration option there and simply click the Connect button to start the setup. This initial step is crucial for linking your communities. After clicking Connect, Patreon will redirect you to Discord to authorize the integration. You'll need to select the specific Discord server you want to link from the provided drop-down menu. It's important to grant Patreon the necessary permissions, especially for managing roles, so it can assign them correctly to your patrons. This step securely links your accounts. Now it's time to configure your roles and tiers. You'll map each of your Patreon tiers to a corresponding Discord role. If you don't have suitable roles yet, create them directly within Discord. Then, specify which Discord channels each tier can access. This ensures your patrons receive the correct benefits based on their support level. Finally, it's essential to test your connection. Have a test patron join your Discord server to confirm they automatically receive the correct roles based on their Patreon tier. If anything seems off, double-check your settings. Patreon's help articles offer excellent troubleshooting tips for common issues, ensuring a smooth experience for everyone.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.